Good afternoon, folks. I started doing one video and then I pressed a button. I think it was the button that turns things off. Hope everybody's doing well. I got these stickers in, which I'm going to clear coat, but they're still awful rusty inside. I mean, I got a good filter. If it keeps clogging it up, then I'll set these aside. I've got another set of tanks. They're black, original paint. Didn't really want black bike. So I say I've had white. I like to change it. White, blue, just different colors. But I was working on the wiring today, and especially the part that the relay in there, it would always drop out. It turned out it was the relay, but the wiring, it had like 3 or 4 wires. They were stuck together with I don't know, silver solder, and a pair of pliers squished them, and in the end it worked. I don't know, I just wanted to put it back more or as closest to stock wiring as I could. So that's what I worked with today. So it's back together, it cranks, it doesn't drop out and then have to press the button and do it again. And the relay was the bad thing, but the wiring was pretty funky too. About 70% of the wiring was okay, but they had chopped off some wires here. It changes colors like 3 or 4 times. I just, when you start out with a wire red, it should be red at the other end. I don't know, maybe I'm just nuts, but so the wire going up to here, everything to the back. The original relay, of course, was case ground, and this is the plastic relay. So I just ended up grounding it to a case bolt like original. And then the other 3 are, the 2 that pass through and the 2 that initiate it. So that's what I was tinkering with today. Did get this. I found 1 clamp that I had, but I got another clamp coming. I often get from that place there on eBay, and he's got a lot of old parts, and for what it is, the prices seem to be okay. It was like $6 for one of these, and I think free shipping. So I got to find some spotlights yet, but no rush. Oh yeah, it has one of these. This one's actually still good. The other one had a lip on it because it's mounted under here with a bolt. So I made sure I tossed it away because it just didn't, it was not holding, the solenoid was not holding the magnetism. I'll put this right in the center thing. I always carry a spare one. It was not holding magnetism, it wasn't from the connections, it was something internal. I didn't tear it apart. Really nothing you can fix, not like the old metal ones. So now it cranks real good, it doesn't drop out, and so forth. So I just tinkered with that stuff today, considering it was kind of cold again. Snowed a little this morning, but not bad. Yeah, wiring's not my strong suit. I wired the house. Only got dinged on one thing. That was the fire wire that I ran from all the smoke detectors. I got 9 in the house, 1 in each attic. So, but when they go off, they go off. When one tells the other, hey, there's a problem, it yells at the others. But yeah, everything else, like I say, it's like a little road map with little cars. That's the electrons. Sometimes I get lost in the subdivision, but I keep tinkering around, trying, and if that way, if I'm not rushed, I take my time and do it. I still have to find the little clip that goes on to here, and that should be about it. Well, looks like my wife's ringing me up. It looks like supper. I think she made pizza and chocolate pudding. Chocolate pudding, that's what it was. We'll catch you guys later. Have a great weekend. Gotta go. Nothing like pizza and Freddy. Bye-bye. Stay safe.